Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.